Bybit versus BloFin. Which crypto exchange is better? Choosing the right exchange can transform your trading experience. Balancing ease of use and security without hidden fees or limited options. We'll briefly explore both platforms. Bybit and BloFin are popular crypto exchanges but serve different trader needs. Bybit focuses on derivatives and advanced trading, while BloFin emphasizes a user-friendly interface and straightforward spot trading. The core difference lies in their target audience and feature sets. Bybit is a crypto derivatives exchange known for its professional-grade trading tools. It offers futures, options, and perpetual contracts with high leverage, appealing to experienced traders seeking advanced strategies. Bybit's platform features real-time charts, deep liquidity, and fast order execution. It also supports spot trading, but is primarily designed for margin and derivatives markets. Strengths include a robust mobile app, strong security measures, and competitive fees. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and high leverage carries increased risk. Bybit is ideal for traders comfortable with margin trading. They want access to a wide range of derivative products and tools to manage risk and maximize returns. BloFin is a crypto exchange focused on simplicity and accessibility, making it suitable for beginners and casual traders. It offers spot trading with a clean, intuitive interface designed to reduce friction in buying and selling cryptocurrencies. BloFin supports a variety of popular coins and provides essential features like wallet integration and basic charting. The platform prioritizes transparency and ease of use, but does not offer derivatives or leveraged trading. Its strengths are straightforward navigation, low fees, and reliable customer support. Limitations include fewer advanced trading options and less depth for professional traders. BloFin is best for users who want a hassle-free experience, prefer spot trading, and value a platform that's easy to understand and operate. Bybit and BloFin cater to different trading styles. Bybit excels in advanced derivatives trading, perfect for those seeking leverage and complex strategies. It offers more tools but requires experience and risk tolerance. BloFin, by contrast, is ideal for straightforward spot trading with an emphasis on simplicity and transparency. If you want quick, easy access to popular cryptocurrencies without the complexities of margin trading, BloFin fits well. However, if you need advanced order types, leverage, and a professional trading environment, Bybit is the better choice. The trade-off is between complexity and control on Bybit versus ease and accessibility on BloFin. Choose Bybit if you are an experienced trader looking for advanced derivatives, leverage options, and professional tools to enhance your crypto trading strategies. BloFin is recommended for beginners or anyone seeking a simple, transparent platform for spot trading without the complications of leverage. Selecting the right exchange depends on your trading goals and experience, so pick the one that best fits your needs for a smooth crypto journey.